a big, big part of what they do offensively and will be this year.
First pass attempt of the year for Jordan Love, complete, and a broken tackle for Savon Scarver. He's got elite speed, and he just showed it off into Wake territory for 35 big yards.
Coverage to cover and take away the hitch. You'll see one of these receivers spin outside.
Love will go long, completes it to Mariner inside the 15. There's the shot.
For 3 with stops right now, and they're trying to stop the Aggies at the 27. A rush of 4. Love delivers through it.
Wow.
And it's caught by Nathan. What a throw, what a catch. Touchdown, Utah State.
That's just flat out pretty. Compact. Watch the fundamentals here. Stepping up, working the pocket. Nice flick of the wrist, and it hits 14 yards, and they have yet to pick up a first down.
Love will try to change that on this first play. Lofts it in between coverage to Nathan, who had running room and gets taken down at the 45. That's 25 yards on first down.
They spread it out. They get it out of their hands quickly, and they can score as fast as anyone.
Love with a sidearm slinger there. Broken tackle by Gerald Bright. Wow, that was something out of absolutely nothing at a first down. 89 seconds to go.
Well, with a safety way back at the top of the screen.
Love will float it for the end zone. It is incomplete. Mariner didn't get a foot down. Love. That was not caught. It didn't look like for Mariner. No, it is caught indeed. There was a juggle there.
Mariner catches just about everything thrown his way.
You never know how much you miss college football until you're back at a game like this, right?
Love, 3rd and 6, clean pocket, a strike. It's Caleb Rebb, the grad transfer from Utah.
What a
first
throw.
and goal coming up.
Utah State doesn't flinch. Jordan Love's working the pocket, finds his big tight end. He's got a chance to be special. He has been exactly that tonight.
Love with a wide open Caleb Rebb. He was a defensive end most of his Utah career, Andre. A grad transfer, had just 2 catches there.
Yeah.
Rebb, the matchup nightmare.
God, he just works every inch of the field. Jordan Love, and an accurate pass over the middle to Rebb. Jordan Love needs to understand.
He needs 10.
All of it at once.
Complete. It's Mariner down to midfield, and that will extend the game with 46 seconds to go. It stops the clock.